In this video, we will see the trends, which means the patient data in a graphical manner, and the patient records, how the attached patient records look like for the patient. So let's see the trends first. So we go to clinical, we look for the patient we want to see the trends for. Say this is the patient. So we click on this plus button and click on the trends tab. Here we can see that the blood pressure of the patient has been variable over the time, and how the patient is gaining weight and the BMI is coming to normal, and the pulse of the patient is coming down, and the growth chart of the child, how the child is faring regarding growth. These are the reference lines which show up to from the 3rd to the 97th percentile, according to which how the patient is faring against these reference lines. Now let's move on to the next patient, where we want to see the patient documents attached to the patient. Let's see, this is the patient whose documents we want to see. This is a patient which was diagnosed with fracture. So a radiology is attached along with this patient. Clicking on this, we see the radiograph of the patient attached. So similarly, we can use these two apps to upload the patient documents or the radiologies against a patient. So clicking on this will ask us to select a patient, and against each visit, clicking on this plus button will open the camera of the iPad, which will click a photograph, and clicking on this save will attach the document against the patient, and we would be able to see that on the patient dashboard.